What's going on, guys? Welcome to another video. I know it's been a while. Thank you guys for watching. Today I'm on the beach with my fly rod and my Yeti bucket somewhere back there. Trying to catch a little live bait on the fly rod first, put a couple in the bucket, and then chuck some big live baits out here. Just have a little fun today. In the meantime, I've got some clips I'd like to share with you guys, and a special surprise at the end of this episode that I've been looking forward to share with you guys for about a year now. So what I'll do is I'll start casting. I'll run these clips for you, some real nice shore-based stuff, and then I will see you when I got a fish on the line. Phew! We're on. Nice yellowtail. Good yellow. That's a good fish. Pretty light tackle here in a real tricky spot. Oh, he's a big yellowtail. Oh, come on, buddy. Big yellowtail. Oh, there's a grouper on him. I need to try and get him up here. And my rod just broke in half. That's great. First fish of the day, broke the rod in half. That's my own fault. That's what I get. He is a terrific yellowtail. Absolutely perfect. They're on it. You big yellowtail, big one. Half a rod, half a rod. Oh, nice fish, nice fish, nice fish. Nice big yellowtail. Oh my goodness, that is a fat yellowtail. Come on. Alrighty guys, second fish of the day. Nice big fat yellowtail. Got a school of Almaco jacks around there too. Just caught him on a broken rod because the first yellowtail broke my rod. Come here, handsome dog. He's a pretty boy. It's a big rim. He's been with me for 11 years. It's my dog. Not bad. Not bad. We're doing some sushi, some fried fish, some ceviche. We're throwing it down. Some nori in here. Let's get it going, baby. We don't know what we got here. We're assuming it's a snapper. BJ just lost a nice big tarpon. It's not a tarpon because it's not jumping, so I think it's a Cubera. There's a fish right in front of me. No, it's Cubera. Nice. Look at that fish, guys. Beautiful Cubera on top water. Gotta love it. Top water Cubera fishing. Let's see. What a big fish here, guys. Let's try and get him up to the bank. Another Cubera, guys. Look at him. Second Cubera of the day, guys. Hopefully we got that on video. Beautiful backwater Cubera. We do this on the daily. Big old teeth. He's got a bunch of sand on him. We're gonna clean him off and let him go. You little. Later, fella. Good big mutton, baby. Talk to me about beach fishing. Come on, come on, come on. Get him up. He's almost off the line. Oh my God. Absolute monster on top water, baby. That's what we're talking about. The magic lure. Big old massive mutton. Keep in mind, guys, I wear a size 14. That is not a small shoe. That's what I'm here for. Ah, let's go. So here's the setup. This is a BG MQ 5000, 50-pound braid. on a 9-foot pen carnage. And we just got an absolute unit of a mutton on top water. Book your surf casting trips now before I catch them all. Good fish. Really good fish, huh? I hope it's not a barracuda. It doesn't feel like one. Big fish. Yep. I think it's a grouper. That is a unit of a grouper, guys. All right, let's go. That's what I'm talking about. Gotta get him up, get him up, get him up. All right, baby, let's go. That's a great grouper. Not my biggest, but that is a great grouper. I've been looking forward to some grouper fingers for a while. What a beauty. What a gorgeous, on the same top water Yozuri, baby. The magic lure. First fish of the day. Nice grouper, yellow wing grouper, I believe. Correct me in the comments if you think I'm wrong. But a beautiful grouper on the magic Yozuri lure. He's a beauty. We'll be having some of him for dinner. Got him. All right, guys, got a bonefish. I'm gonna bully him. Beautiful little bonefish, guys. Beautiful bonefish. He's pretty small, but there's a couple bigger ones in his school, so pretty stoked on that. Here he is. We're gonna let this guy go. See if we can't get another one. Let's do it. All right, we got some bait. Feels like a little jack or something. Oh, it's a horseye. Very good. All right, we got some bait, guys. Sweet. Let's get them in the bucket. Alrighty, so had a couple of good casts on the fly rod. We got 3 jacks in the bucket. So 1 blue runner, 1 bar jack, 1 horseye jack. So we're already at 3 species. I did hook into something like fairly decent for a second, but I feel like it was just like a big houndfish. There's our bait. One of these guys seems to be struggling a little bit. Hey, you all right? No, he's not looking too good. We might only have 2 baits. So this guy's mouth is open and he is dead as a rock. I threw one out there that has like a little bit of life left. He's kicking ever so slightly. I'm gonna let that sit for maybe like an hour or so. We're gonna see if we can't get a little bit more live bait while that hangs out. Maybe something a little smaller to chuck out there on the lighter rods. Let's see what we can do. Feels more like a bonefish. I think it is. There's a bunch of fish with them. Oh, it is bonefish. Where's the cuda? Oh. Oh boy. There's a bunch of fish here. This grass is not helping. The clicker in my reel must be busted. All right, let's land this fish, guys. Remember to wet your hands. Harmless hooks. Beautiful fish. Let's make sure he gets out okay. What I'm talking about, guys. We got a live bait set. We're catching bonefish on the fly. We're just hanging out this beautiful Sunday. Gotta love it. Well, hopefully you enjoyed those clips. I've had a lot of fun on the shoreline recently. That big mutton, that nice big yellow wing, bonefish and yellowtails and everything you could think of. Unfortunately, my GoPro is not running 24/7 because if it was, we'd have some crazy footage. But hopefully you guys enjoyed that. Just caught that nice bonefish out here off the beach. Just lost a good fish on the spinner. I think we're about to pack it up, headed back to the house, and time to share that nice surprise with you guys. So I'll see you guys when we're back at the crib. So it is the next day. I'm back here at my house in beautiful Governor's Harbor. And what I wanted to share with you is the rental unit that is here behind me. So been working on it for about a year with the help from a lot of people. It's finally ready to be shared for rent. Pretty excited. It's 2 bedrooms, 1 bathroom. You got a kitchenette, got access to a beach, a pool, a boat ramp, nice gated community. Just outside of Governor's Harbor, so you're close to all the shops and all that. I'm gonna give you a sneak peek today, and then I will do a full video tour in the next video with a full breakdown of everything. But welcome to my new apartment. This is the upstairs part of the unit. Got my favorite fish on the wall, of course. First bedroom, and I think the best view on the property. See the water out of these windows here. And then that road on the left there leads straight down to a really cool boat ramp. Very excited to share this. I think y'all will like this place. And make sure you watch the next video for the full walkthrough. There's a whole other part of the apartment downstairs there. So thank you guys for watching. I appreciate it. Hope to hear from you in regards to renting. I don't know, it doesn't have a name yet. What should I name it? And leave some names in the comments. Thanks for watching. Stay stoked. Hew.